Okay guys, how is everyone? I'm over these Pendle Hills in a place called Barley. I'm collabing with two YouTube channels. Mick Mclaren from Winterhill. He does a lot of research over there, similar to what I do with the UFOs, the big cats, the paranormal. Also a guy called Wayne. I'm not sure whether Wayne's wife Dawn will be coming with them. They've got the channel Brickhead and Mother Wolf, and I think Mick said he was bringing somebody else over, maybe two more people, and can't quite think of their names yet. What we're going to do is wander around this area full of history, full of paranormal stories, UFO sightings, big cat sightings. Gonna have a wander around. I'm not sure whether Mick has been over this part of the world before, but we're out all day. We're going to be cooking things up, and I'm not sure whether we're staying into the night time. It's quite early morning now. We'll see what happens, see how long the day is, but this is going to be interesting. If you aren't new to the channel, I'm Mick, and like I said, this is the sort of thing I do. Get out into the great outdoors, trying to figure out and look into the unexplained. So if you like this sort of thing, please do subscribe, leave a comment, I'll always reply. I've just pulled up in the van. I'm going to sort my stuff out. Got my big bag here with my cooking things in and food, and it's a beautiful day. It really is. A bit windy. If we do head up higher up near Pendlehill, I'm not quite sure the route we're going to take. We'll probably have a wander around all over. We might end up all there. I bet it's windy up there. I bet it will be today because this wind is supposed to pick up. Anyway, I'm going to have a look at wander, chill out. I'm meeting them in around an hour. These two YouTube channels. I'll leave the link to the channels in the description. I could do with something to eat now. Actually, I've not had anything. I've got loads of bits of food to cook here, lots of sausages. Might just fire some of them up. I'll see. I'll have a walk first. Oh, this is great. Springtime, full summer ahead of us. It's brilliant. So, as well as what I mentioned earlier, obviously Pendlehill is most well known for the Pendle witches, the big witch trials of 1612. Total of 10 witches got hanged, 9 from this area, another one from a place called Gisborne, and that person got hanged over in York. The other 9 in Lancaster. Spoke a lot about these Pendle witch trials on the channel. This area is littered with little signposts and reminders of it. There's a Pendlehill sculpture trail. It's great, it really is. Right, I'll go and meet these guys. I've always liked this little area. Got a little cafe over there, plenty of parking, big car park. You can park on the street. You got your public conveniences, and you got a little market going on today, selling trainers and things. Patch this say on its camera, the flashlight, just in case we are stopping later, but it's not dark now till 8-9 o'clock, so we'll see. Also a nice pub, the Pendle Inn, beautiful place, good beer, good meals. Don't know whether I pick that up or go on this sunny side. Reminders of the witches everywhere, wherever you look. Lovely little river down there as well. But recent years it has become quite a tourist area, and on the weekend it really is quite busy. And it can be a struggle to park, even with a big car park. There are plenty of little side streets you can usually park on. You should be able to get parked up, but maybe you'll have a 10 or 20 minute walk into Barley itself. Just waiting for these guys. I think they'll be having that problem this morning. I got here a good hour earlier because I knew about this. Should have mentioned it to them, shouldn't I? But too late now. they'll be here soon. Well, I think Wayne has arrived. Still waiting for Mick. How are you doing, bud?
How you feels good to be back over here?
Yeah. Good, I was just saying on camera. That should have mentioned on a weekend, even in it, on a day like this. You know, but I don't think Mick would, so he might be looking for somewhere to park in a minute.
It is a bit chocker down there.
Yeah, even. Well, I parked down there. When I got here an hour early, because I know about how busy it'll be.
Well, I've ended up just in front of your van, luckily.
Right. Should have mentioned it to Mick, but down that road, further down you can park up. There's always space down there. Right, guys, so I've been met here with Mick Mclaren. How you doing, Mick?
I'm good, I'm good.
And Brett, a friend of Mick's. Brilliant. We're going to head up onto Pendlehill, take it from there.
Yeah, yeah.
We've all got our jackets on because it's deceiving. It's warm down here, but it won't be up there. Well, apart from Wayne, but he's used to it. Right. You're right. Right, we'll get going. Just look at that scenery. We're heading up onto the summit of Pendlehill, doing a big circle. It's probably 8 miles, probably something like that, this way. And we've just been walking up, talking about big cat sightings, because Wayne swore he saw one in Scotland, swore he saw a lynx over here, and other guys have seen things. It is interesting. This is beautiful. So we're heading up side of this woodland up to the moorland, cooking up, I think steak. Wayne has got some steak and I've got sausages for a change and some baps. I fancy some sausage baps. Could do with them now actually. Just have to give you a shot of that from this angle. Stunning day, that wind is getting up. Audio should be okay on this GoPro. A few people about, it is weekend.
The work it would, yeah. Oh, it's amazing. Slightly separate. Prices of course.
So we're just passing this woodland now. I've camped many times out there at night time. I love it. It's a place where I'll cut my steaks, and we're going to have a walk in, have a look around. It's on our way, because we're doing a big circle, so we won't be passing down here on our way back, so worth a look. And I think there's a little Pendle witch, I've forgotten the word, the memorial thing down here as well. They put them everywhere when it was 400 years since the witch trials, 1612, so they put them down in 2012 to commemorate it. Yeah, what we will do, yeah. Yeah, so these were put here 2012 to commemorate the 400 years since 1612. They're all over the place. Went to Slaburn a few days ago and there were one there as well.
I remember seeing that.
Yeah.
Apart from that, that's the only one I've ever seen.
Right.
We drowned them all, but we put these out.
Yeah. So this is a nice spot, great place to come and cook something up. We've got. Just let me know when you're hungry, Wayne, and if you want to cook.
Yeah, well, whenever you are.
Right. I've not had much yet, but
I fetched a couple of sandwiches with me as well. You know, in case we're not hanging around for so long, or if you fancy a sit down or wait.
Yeah. Well, I've been doing both with steak. I brought a load of sausages for change. So.
Well, I did go to get some burgers, but then I seen a ribeye and it did start shouting my name on.
Well, you can't refuse that, can you? Can't beat a ribeye. Top of here, there's some root balls, If we do go up there, I'll show you. I've shown you on videos before. Absolutely huge they are. Massive things. Love these woods. Pendlehill just behind. Big root balls up here. I've shown these before. So that could be down on it. Look at that going down, it was pretty solid. So for a walk up here, nearly fell. The witch's woodland. Nearly fell again. Problem is when you're holding your camera, you're not looking where you're going. Good view. Just get up here a second. Pendlehill through there. Right, we're gonna head out of these woodlands now up to Pendlehill, up to the summit. Just been having a chat about big cat sightings and UFO sightings, you name it, we've been talking about it. I can't record it all, the video will be hours long. Catch these guys up. Lots of deer in here usually, good place to set up a trail camp. Done plenty of cooking here before, plenty of steaks have been cooked, stayed overnight, it's great. I think we've got things to cook up, we're going to do that on the hill side or the hilltop when we get there. There they are. There's a rock here now. I've got it on film, I weren't filming. This rock here just come rolling right past me, away from where I'm walking at speed. This one here, I'm over here, it comes banging down here really quick. I'm not looking at anything anyway, odd that though, that were odd.
Did you get it on film?
No, I weren't filming, it was like it had been chucked. It wasn't on the ground, it was chucked and landed and just carried on down.
When me and Dawn were walking through in dark, there was definitely stuff getting whizzed at us, but
it just come flying right past me. About 2-3 metres away from me outside, even not like I dislodged it. And I wasn't, as usual, I wasn't filming, so there we go. Yeah. You know what I mean? I swear that word chucked at me.
And the thing is, if you say that in camera, then people will be saying,
I know.
starting.
I wasn't filming.
yeah.
That is forever going to be unknown, and I didn't kick it. You know, if I'm going to kick a rock like that, I'll feel it, won't I? But yeah. And if we're going to fake a rock fall, I think I'll be filming it if I go into that effort. So, there we go. Be an explanation for it, but you know, one of you lot could have dislodged it a bit and it just
Yeah.
yeah, very odd.
Step past.
Yeah.
bit of encouragement, vibration on the ground.
Yeah. Odd. Well, these guys could have dislodged it a bit. I'm positive, I've only got trainers on, I would have felt it if I kicked a big rock like that. You're about 2 metres to the side of me. And just come flying down, almost bouncing like it had been thrown. Who knows? It's almost as if something said, I don't want you here, get out. There'd be an explanation. Look at the view of Pendlehill. Dying to have a look in their way, not?
You'd slip in if you tried dropping down there.
You won't get me down there. Wayne's the tunnel, man.
Perfect hiding place.
Oh yeah.
There might be something like that further in. You'd be bedded down maybe. But mind you, if it overflows, it's going to wash all that away, isn't it? In summertime, it'll be, yeah, there won't be anything in the front.
If we go in this way, I might just see where it comes out and see how long it is. I might have a do one way I went.
Right. Well, we won't be passing this coming back, will we? We're going to go right.
Oh yeah.
We're probably coming down steps, won't we, on the other side.
We'll have to do it next time.
So it's
I'll know for next time.
Right.
I thought you were thinking about going under and seeing it follow and come out meters out of the side.
I'm just curious how far it comes.
You might end up in a base somewhere.
I don't want to get 100 metres in and it's...
Well, I've heard a lot, I mean, you hear this all the time, theories about a base on the Pendle.
Really?
Yeah, it's well known around here.
Well, I didn't know
secret.
about that.
Right.
If you found the cover thing, would you go down it? And...
Oh, definitely,
Yeah, I think
yeah,
I'll have to
yeah.
have a look there, really.
Richard Dorman did that
Yeah.
a few years ago. I'm sure he did. He went to this place where he found this cover thing and they went down it and there were steps. But they didn't go that far down it.
All right.
Actually.
Check that out. 20-30 seconds walk, this is where it will come up.
It's almost knee deep, yeah. That's it, next time I'll be packing my wellies. See, now after the door for that, if I can see light on the side, I might be able to cope with that.
I would have managed that myself, to be honest with you, I think. It's when you can't see, anything. I'll be a bit...
Bends a bit so you're not going to see light. If you've got a torch and everything, you'll be alright. Yeah. It's bright enough. If you're in there and you've not got much of a light, you'll be thinking that it's getting smaller and...
Yeah, play with your mind.
A really good light.
Now, why are you telling me?
I don't keep saying it, that is beautiful. It really is. Down near the river, but you've got to walk through quite a bit of dead bracken. Adder country. Be careful. You know, with adders you can get a bad allergic reaction. I've seen a few myself around here. Got to be careful. Just saying, adder country, all this, I've seen a few, dead bracken. Where adders like to be, yeah. Get bad reactions to them, really bite. Yeah, you see them just disappearing under it. I'm just saying, Mick, round here I've seen quite a few adders.
Oh,
adder,
yeah.
a bracken, and
Yeah.
that's where they hide away.
And on my mum's street once found a snake on the pavement.
Right.
It's come out of someone's house, yeah.
There's not many things that scare me, but I'll admit I am scared of snakes.
Snakes.
Really?
Yeah, definitely.
Got that on camera, Wayne.
I could cut head off one and eat it, like.
Oh, we'll be back on Bear Grylls now. We're on about Bear Grylls overnight, weren't we? What we're saying, Ray Mears, I used to like watching him. Ray Mears, he's...
Great fella, mate. I'd rather get stuck with him than
Yeah.
Bear Grylls, definitely. But you don't hear anything about him, though.
No, you don't these days.
He was a lot more genuine.
Just saying how low this reservoir is. We've only just got into April. It has been dry the last few weeks. We carry on getting this dry weather, that is low. You don't usually see it like that until the middle of summer when we've had some dry weather then. It really is. Yeah, so there's... We've seen some footprints down there. Could be anything but Mick's jumped over the wall. The investigation begins. You can't tell from here what they are, obviously can't. We'll find out. So, deer, it seems. Worth a look though.
Could have been a young one, because obviously the strides close together.
And there's a lot of feet, thingy feet, duck feet as well.
Right.
And there was some small paw prints, which could be fox.
Maybe.
Worth a look. When we were just saying last time we walked this, it were 3 foot deep in snow. So you don't recognise the path really, you wouldn't do with that deep, and it was at night time as well. Just heading into this moors now and climb up to Pendlehill. Definitely a perfect day.
I've definitely not seen frogs spawn that close, so it could be.
Yeah, we're thinking not frogs spawn, possibly newt. Anybody knows, let us know in these comments. Yeah, I think so.
Oh, there's one there, look, there's a tadpole here. It just moved.
Ooh.
You see it here?
Oh, yeah.
Now the other tadpoles are just starting to move.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see them.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course, there's loads of them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Wow, they're so small, aren't they? When you see the baby frogs jumping along and then birds come down and just like...
Yeah. Just look like
Loads
grass
of
stem, doesn't it?
Well, newt, you know, newts for tadpoles, aren't they? As well.
Oh yeah.
They're like that.
I
Yeah.
did look
They're
same,
like
wasn't
that,
it?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's still
Just
coming
as
now.
humans are. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
We look like that when we're
Yeah. It's crazy.
starting to form.
Yeah.
Have a little tail and all sorts.
Eh?
Yeah, have you never seen that? You think so, flagging?
It's true, that, isn't it?
Look into it.
It's where your bottom bone used to be tipped, you know, when...
The tail and that, yeah.
Oh,
I think it's new, that. Might be wrong.
Some people are bored with that. Little tail.
Right, we're going to wait for a bit later to cook something, but it's very dry in this moorland. There's nowhere safe you can really do it, so I sat in the middle, literally, of the river, which usually this will be wet through here. I'm going to cook up my sausages. Wayne's going to cook his steak. I think Wayne's cooking over there, actually, I'm not sure. But this is safe. Absolutely. Comfy as well. Show you the kitchen. Right, let's set up big pan of sausages. Where's Wayne? Oh, is he over there? He's cooking his steak over there, is Wayne. Mick set up his tripod and everything. Ah. Right, so these out. I could just sit here all day, actually, it's nice and...
Look at it. It's like concave, isn't it? It's really weird.
Yeah, yeah. Have you got anything to eat, Brett? Have you got?
Just soup.
Got some soup?
Chunky soup and minestrone
Chunky soup.
and ginger nuts.
Right. Because I would have had sausages, but Brett, you're vegan.
I totally forgot.
And if we ever come out again, I'll make sure I bring something for you. Definitely. We're still waiting for sausages. Steak and mash. So what I've done, I've moved the location, but it's that windy. It's taking all the heat away. It's taken forever to cook these sausages, but sheltered here. Now we're cooking. Got last through ready. Had to take about this wind, taking all the heat away. I'm ready for these. So we're carrying on now. Had our food. This is a lovely little part of Pendlehill, especially on a day like this.
I know you'll be enjoying this dog. I know you haven't seen this bit, we have snow and ice over it. First time it's 2 weeks to get the bear into it.
And really it's dry for this time of the year. I don't think I've ever seen it so dry. Right at the beginning of April.
I think that we're buried in snow last time I came out.
It'll be a kestrel, that, won't it?
Probably be a kestrel, won't it? Yeah, it's marker for Pendle. I never noticed the engraving though. Huh. So you can get up that way, but we're going to go around, aren't we? I think along the way.
You, man.
Well, if we go that way, we'll be up the hill and back down to the car within an hour to hour and a half. If we go other way, it'd be about 3 hours.
3 hours? I'm not bothered.
Well, maybe not 3, 2.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go for it. Long way around.
You in sling with you and that?
Just telling you guys, it's area I come and do a lot of my scar watching just around here. Very quiet. Never see anyone around at night time. You get your walkers in daytime. Love it around here. Place to come if you want peace and quiet. This is another little cooking area I like, just down here. What I do before I go
wall.
Yeah, just over there. It's right near the river. But it's nice all over, isn't it, around here?
Yeah, it is. But when you get little bits like that where you can hide.
Yeah, that's where I go around there.
Do you cross over here, mate?
Yeah, up there. Oh, up the York River. Anyway, yeah, anywhere really. Up this path. I was just going to show you a little cooking area I use a lot.
Yeah, okay.
You love this.
This is
little
where
area.
I fell down into rocks, you know, when you
Oh,
covered in snow.
Fell into rocks as well. Yeah. You're not lucky, you, are you?
I haven't made a save, it's not
Where all damage has come from, all crap rock. Falling on
It
it.
was that deep with snow up here. All this, you couldn't see it. It just
And
looked
you
like
were just
one.
sinking in.
Yeah.
Well, I've got a little office over here where I edit videos sometime. I'll show you. A little office.
Look at all this, we had the snow.
Around here.
Yeah.
Hundreds of years.
So this is my kitchen. This is my office. Storm put it on there, that's back. Yeah.
It's a shame we couldn't maybe set something here, like a tarpaulin across.
Yes, yeah.
I was saying to Mick, we should organise a camp out.
Yeah.
Us lot, get Chris.
Definitely.
I think at Black we'll have.
Could be good that. Could be good that, won't it? So this is my kitchen, mate. That's my office. That's my seat.
Oh yeah.
Nice and sheltered.
Yeah, nice bit of editing here, yeah.
Nobody ever around.
Your camera wouldn't have gone over here.
I know.
My cooking's going on down there, and I'm just sat here. Yeah.
Oh, look at that there as well. You got this. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can sit there with your feet hanging over.
That's it. That's my office. Wayne, that's my little.
Nice little
Yeah.
spot.
Yeah.
Very good, eh?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
I beat it. I've sat here all afternoon, and you never see. Odd time you see someone walking up that bit. That's
Bed down and straight, eh?
You know, I feel like a kid again. I'm thinking I can make a den.
Yeah.
Remember making dens?
Yeah.
That's the best thing about walking, isn't it? It doesn't release its inner kid.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
And if you jump over here, this is me. Second little cooking area. It's little beach, nice and next to waterfall. Nobody ever comes around it. Me and a guy called Chris have cut many steaks out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just here. I always cook.
Boats going for stone here. You drilled into it and boat it stone.
Oh, I've never noticed that.
I wonder what they went doing there. Weird, isn't it?
But not once has anybody walked past this bit, never. They'll go up there, that's it. Never walk on it. But it does take you
You know what looks like
right round where we're going, it does, you know.
going out to give them going.
Yeah.
Do you want to walk that way or do you want to go back that way? Which is
It's probably
easier
best
than
that way, that's
Yeah.
going to be a challenge,
Yeah.
that you really, you are up and down rocks there, then it's quite a way over. So.
Did you just vape? I saw loads of lights smoke around there then.
Just have a minute, rest time.
It was sad to see in winter when it was all like 2-3 foot deep in snow. You're hunting on, you're up here.
Oh, a different landscape. It's disorientating, you know, anything like that. That's what I say, when you're out and cloud and fog moves in, it's surprising how you can get yourself lost.
We haven't been up here in fog.
No.
I did enjoy that.
Oh, you have, yeah, yeah.
Did you get that?
I love
Is
going
it
out.
third man syndrome, fourth man syndrome or something?
I almost shot myself. Wife was behind me with a torch, and my shadow, well, my silhouette cast a shadow on fog in front of me. It just looked like there was a black figure jumped out in front of me.
That's what people have said, haven't they? And
I
they've
almost
debunked
fainted.
it with
Yeah.
that, yeah.
I did pull back my hand. I did go to swing at it.
Yeah,
Shadow boxing.
yeah, with fog there is a lot of things you see, illusions, light with lighting and things like that, you know.
You can see how people get misconstrued. Like.
Yeah. Probably one of the steeper points of this track. Then we'll head over the top, up these steps right to the summit of Pendle, and then back down into Barla. So about halfway around this trail now. 8-10 miles, I'm not quite sure. Doesn't matter, it's beautiful. It's good to be out with these guys. All filming for our YouTube channels. The outdoors, we're having discussions about the Unexplained with cats, things like that. Not sure it would be staying out scout watching, I don't know yet. By the time these guys have been out all day, we'll see. But I'm not bothered either way. It would have been a great day. We'll come back out scout watching very soon. But we might be doing it tonight, we'll see. of wind round here. I reckon there'll be more of one once we get up on them hills. Wild countryside and wind, love it.
Well spotted.
Fossilised leaf, we think, don't we?
Yeah. A bit of any explanation I can come up with it. Love things like that.
It's cool. That's what it is.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah. Or them little characters out of Ice Age, something like that, you know what I mean?
Definitely a leaf, is it? Must have took thousands of years for that to happen.
Yeah. We're hearing noises.
I heard a
I don't know what sort of noise, but like a. Go on, the camera.
Hey, wait.
something like that anyway.
No?
You got that on camera, yeah?
Got that on camera. But that's staying in the video, is
noise.
that? Definitely staying in the video. Never heard it.
I heard something.
So we're just reaching the point now where you cross the river and then you head up there to the summit. Then we'll chill there for a bit, have a chat, and head back down into Bala. Great circular walk, definitely recommended. Cross this river now and head up. Stream, not a river, it's only a stream. Lovely. I've seen a career fishing these. Yeah, I have seen them in the summer over here. I did have a look last year. So a couple in the summertime, but too early I think at the moment.
Checked out birch, you know birch log, chopped up.
Yeah, a bit of a memorial.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably what these daffodils have been planted. That's why they're there.
I might see if I can get camera down there, you know.
Well, I wonder maybe, you know, somebody's ashes maybe, if it's a bit possible, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking, you know, the only place around here, the ash land around here, and then we've got daffodils just there, what have been planted.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and they've been put there for this, I think.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
are
definitely. Nice. Could be somebody's ashes then. Yeah. But the thing is, I could have swore you were stood outside of me. I looked over there, you were there, I had that feeling, but I think it was that. Going in my eye. I think that's what it were.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
they just started? Or is it actual contrails? Contrails are, them two are.
The middle one's a chemi, I think.
Yeah.
I never knew the difference. What's the difference?
If you look at the lens, it's actual condensation, so it fizzles out. So when you see them, like the one in the middle,
Yeah.
that's actual substance that they're piling out.
It does like it's breaking up though.
It does, but
Yeah,
it's still
but-
too long.
I love learning about how to do that.
Yeah. I've heard, yeah, I know about that. I've heard it. I don't. Yeah. Well, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Never really thought much of it, but I've heard a lot of people say that.
Yeah.
How many people vote? Oh yeah, we don't like them no more.
Very racist. Hates everyone.
Well, this is changed since last time I came up.
Is it?
Yeah, they were. The football weren't as much as it.
It's got a lot more popular around here, definitely last few years.
Sounds nice.
I know it's a lot easier up there because it's all flagged,
Yeah.
innit, up to the.
Yeah.
Look at the difference
Good
it
point.
boxed at sandstone to develop.
Yeah. That sounded like
See, I fell for that. I put wire for waterfall in front garden. I tell you what, I would never have toilet. Every time I open my window, every 10 minutes I'm back to the toilet.
Really? Yeah. Are you being serious? Or
Yeah,
you
straight
just
up.
joking?
Straight up, I couldn't sleep with the window open enough.
A lot of people say that, don't they? It makes you want to go.
Did it really?
Yeah.
That's exactly what it did. I thought it'd have a relaxing effect, calming
Yeah.
effect. I would never have back.
I take it you got rid of it.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get rid of it. Left it there and just put a load of plants in it. Did it sound like that, or was it more dizzy?
A bit stronger than that, but
Maybe alter it so it's just a slight trickle. I tried filling it up with rocks and
it's full of frog spawn now.
Ooh.
Go Winter Hill, going down towards Bury Mullers, we're on windmills there and all sorts of stuff.
Trail built, yeah.
Blackburn. Then on the other side you've got it going to Rivington. That, in fact, that lump there is Wigan.
Right.
Next to the
I can see the sea right further
You
on.
will be. You can
that's
from
what
up
that
here. You
reflection
can.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
what
right.
that is.
It is. Yeah, you can.
Gosh.
You can see Blackpool Tower from up here.
Yeah.
In fact, believe it or not, years ago I once had a big pair of strong binoculars looking at Blackpool Tower. It was about that big. And there was something moving. You do with the lift. I could see it lift
Oh,
going
right,
down
yeah.
from
My
top of
God.
Pendlehill. Yeah, it's true, is that? Yeah. Crazy.
So just over there is Preston, all in that area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, with a big shit cloud over it.
That's the one.
Sunny Preston.
Yeah, so that over there is called Blackstone Edge. Rotshill. You know when we were coming back from Bridlington and we went over?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's where that is over there. Ringwood Ends, Rochdale.
But from top of here on a real clear day, you can see Lake District. You can,
Oh,
see, you
yeah.
can see Wales, the other Welsh
Oh,
mountains.
wow.
You can see right down the coastline to Wales, the Lake District.
Yeah, well,
But it's got to be really clear. you know.
Wales is a
Yeah,
regular
yeah.
riding distance.
Yeah. Especially when it's later sunsetting, you get it all coming off the sun. Yeah, it is.
But when you're on the hill and you look in that direction, you can see all Peak District
Yeah.
and then going into Wales.
It's a proper gift that we
Yeah, of course. Oh, sir. We get a lot of comments, people watch and say, you don't know how lucky you are living somewhere like that. And
Yeah.
I've got to say, I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Every day, I know that, I appreciate it. Yeah. It is, we all live somewhere like this. Yeah. Yeah, people got big city centres and everything. Yeah.
things like that.
No, definitely. To be able to just have a drive out like we were all out there and do this. Local out with you.
Yeah.
Got loads here on this.
Is it a spring coming up as well?
Probably, yeah, I think it will, yeah. So it's here, so it's got to be coming up. Yeah.
Back down that way shortly.
It's coming up from here, it's running.
And then I think
Yeah.
for a while. To the light level.
That's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I could just get chips or something.
It's amazing you can jump in car in 20 minutes and find something like that.
Yeah.
We went Malin Cove the other day, and that used to be
Oh, that's a
amazing.
lovely place, that.
And water's coming from underneath it, but then it disappears right underground.
Yeah.
It's the first size stream, it disappears underground, and about 20 metres further on, it disappears again. It's an amazing place, is that, Malin Cove. That's what you're on about, weren't you?
Yeah,
It really is.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Hang on, did we have some?
Have you ever been to Troll's Hill? In that area?
No.
That's similar,
Yeah.
but there's like all mines, and you can actually get into
Oh,
the
right.
mines.
No, not even there. So many places, isn't there? You know,
Yeah.
so many.
Right.
You could go somewhere new every day.
You could go.
Only like you know, somewhere different every day.
I don't know.
Makes you laugh, doesn't it? You can see all that, look. It's all like that.
Well, I've tried using
Yeah.
my phone a couple of times and no signal.
Until you get out there, you don't know what's there. It's amazing. Just look at the views there, all them places you can go to.
Yeah, sorry.
About as remote as you can get up here now. See for miles though. The coastline, Wales, the Lake District, and then over into the Yorkshire Dales. A little bit hazy today, but on a clear day, I should say that is what you can see. We'll get to the top, see what you can see. We made it.
Don't count unless you touch it. There's Mick, look. Hey, there's Mick. See Mick, right? Managed to get up to the top. It is very windy, but it's definitely working. Can't be alone, we can't.
Let's get this wind up here, crazy. Keep holding my cap, this is going to come off. Wind, you can lean into this. I won't try it, it's a bit steep down there. But it is That's where we walked past earlier, where we come from. All the trees down there. The village of Ball. It's a big circle, right on the hill. Then you can go back down. Steep bit of steps. Or you can grab the asphalt, walk up that way and go down. Not quite as steep. Back down into Ball. There's so many different ways you can walk. Get a quick one with all it.
So is that where the trail is, the Pendle trail?
No, that's the one that we just walked in. Oh no, that is, sorry, no, that's it. No, yeah, it is. Yeah, get the bearing. Yeah, of course it is. Yeah.
No, you saw it over there.
Yeah, you're trying to get your bearings. That's the woman. That's the sculpture trail. That's Hacking Woods, is that? Yeah.
You know some of this stuff in there. I've got a friend, you know Lee Nicholson?
Lee Nichols.
He does a lot around here with the UFOs. He's done some
Right.
sculptures in there.
Right, alright, has he? Right.
That unicorn in there is beautiful.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Did he do that?
Yeah, he's a talented man.
Yeah, I was just pointing out that once we went in from there. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the sculpture trail, like it was, and that's the one where you landed.
That's only well one over there.
Yeah, that's where you went.
Ah, yes, but I'll see over there.
Yeah. Just got all that wind. Got some benches.
That's great, isn't it?
Ah, nice little area. Little benches like you get in town. You don't get a view like that in town, though, do you?
Is it Turkish? Oh, it's a bit full now. I'll pass it over here. Somewhere we got
We're heading back down. So the wind's picked up, we're getting near the edge and down these steps down into Bali. So we're not quite sure what we're going to do today, whether we're going to have a walk through a couple of villages or over the hill. Going to see what Mick wanted to do as well. Been a great walk. Heading down now. If my battery died just the top, had to change it. Real cold wind blowing off onto this hill. It's been a great walk with Mick Mclaren from Wintrill investigation team, Wayne from Weekend and Motherwolf, Brett, the guy who's come with us. Had a good conversation about also it's black cats, the UFOs, paranormal witches. This area is the place to be for anything like that. Absolutely loved it. Not sure how long we was going to stay out. We met quite early, so we all only stayed out scout watching tonight. don't think I'm going to stay here, but I might get myself home, something to eat, and this weather, if it stays clear, which it should do, get on the Hasland and Moors, do some scar watching, and that could be an idea. Just getting to the bottom now. Getting towards the evening time. Great day. Get home, like I said, have something to eat, see how I feel. Get over them Hasland and Moors, do some scar watching, make more of this weather. It's supposed to be clear for quite a week or so. Had some very good weather recently. We have got a moon out there, but we'll see. Been a great day. Right guys, that's it. Great walk around these Pendle Hills. Nice little chat about the Unexplained. Mick Mclaren from the Winterhill investigation team. I'll leave his link in the description. I'll leave Wayne's, that's Brickhead and Motherwell. It's been great. All four of us have had a brilliant time. Lots more coming up. Lots more. Meeting up with people, collabs. So please do like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment, I'll always reply. To these guys here. Say goodbye guys.
Hope you've all enjoyed.
Enjoyed it, been great. Mick's up there filming, we'll leave him alone. But we'll be out with Mick again soon. See you later guys.